In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram link to TikTok bio. This video is really for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. At first, go to your Instagram and copy your Instagram profile link. Once I've copied it, open your TikTok, click on add bio. You can just come on here. You can just type, let me say, connect with me on Instagram. So I'm gonna just come on here. I'm gonna click on this. So once I've copied your profile link, it's gonna come out here. So once I don't you're gonna paste it here, right? So okay, I think I'm gonna just do that now. Okay, so this is it. So if you look now, you're gonna be able to see my Instagram link here on my TikTok bio. So this is basically how I can be able to do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.